Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of a previous tutorial that was string function in Python. You can say built-in function, you can say string function, you can say string methods in Python. So in today's video, we are going to learn few more methods or few more functions in Python which will help us in our projects, right? I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. In today's video, we will learn methods like isdecimal, isnumeric, and isspace. Okay, now let's get started with our today's first method, that is isdecimal. I have some code which will return true or false if the value is decimal or not, right? Its range is 0 to 9. Okay, run the program, so it will show you false because we have a float value, right? If I remove this float, now it will be a decimal value, so it will return true. If you put any space here, so you will get false, right? So your string would be having numerics only, right? Okay, if you put hash, so it will still show you false, right? Okay, so this is how this function works. It will return true or false if the value is decimal. Okay, there is one more scenario with that. In case of unicode characters in the string, so it behaves differently. I have some code, it is showing these are the unicode characters, right? Unicode characters we can see easily on the internet, right? If you type in unicode characters, you will see this type of codes against the characters, right? It is 0, okay, numeric value, but its unicode character representation is this. Okay, so this is a different unicode character. So is decimal function also take care of these unicode characters, right? If you run this program, so a and b, these variables having different unicode characters, right? Accordingly it is returning true or false, right? If you see this statement true, it is returning for 0. Okay, means 0 is a decimal value, yes, so that side is returning true. On the other side we have unicode character g, right? So it is returning false. Now let's see our next function, that is numeric. Let me remove this. Okay, it returns true if all characters in the string are numeric characters, numbers, right? It returns false if a string contains one or more non-numeric characters, either special character, either alphas characters. Okay, if I use is numeric and I run the program with the same value, so it will show you false, right? This is not a numeric value. As soon as I remove this hash, so it will say it is true, thus this is numeric, right? If you press white space, then it will return false. If you use any alpha character, it will return you false. Okay, in this case as well. Now let's see next method, that is space. So Python string is space function returns true if all characters in the string are white space characters. Otherwise it returns false. If I leave white space here, I use then is space, and if you run the program, so it will return you true because S1 is containing a white space. That is why it is returning true. Okay, if I remove this white space and I try to run the program, so it will return you false because there is no white space in this string. Okay, if you put any character and you leave some space, then in this case also it will return false, right? It will not consider this as a white space because we have inputted values, other characters as well along with this white space, so it will not return you true. Okay, if value is containing more than white spaces, more than one white spaces, then only it will return true, right? This is the condition for this function. All right, even this is space function take care of the white space characters, right? Like slash t, okay, slash n, slash v, slash f. So white characters like these characters. Okay, so space we have seen. Okay, so if you put slash t, right, so it will take care of this slash t, more than one slash t. Okay, so it will take care. Here we are saying we are inputting slash t multiple times, right, in this string. So it will return true because it handles these white space characters also, right? Slash t, or you input slash n, slash v, slash f, any of the white space characters if you use in your string, so it will handle. But if you put any of the character into the string, So then this function will return false, right? You see.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.